What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we are gonna dismantle my iPhone 4. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you keep notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks and one of these projects just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm and so you could see more of my videos. Without further ado, let's find out what I'm doing right now. Here we go. So you guys ready to see it? Here we go. Boom. What do you guys think of it? And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my adventure on dismantling the iPhone 4 and putting it together in a shadow box. If you guys like this videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of the next videos to come. Hit that like button so we can see more of these videos and we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!